Need an energy boost but not a fan of caffeine? This DIY Citrus Spark Roll-On is the perfect pick-me-up and no coffee is required. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth and I'm making one of the recipes from our November recipe box today. This is the Citrus Spark Roll-On. What I love about this box is how it makes natural DIYs fun and easy so anyone can do it right at home. So if you've got the Simply Earth recipe box and your big bonus box, which is completely free, you already have everything you need to make this recipe. If not, no worries. You can also grab these ingredients individually on our website. We even have a handy recipe page where everything is linked for you down below. Here is how simple it is to make this. So first you're gonna take the roller cap off your 10 ml bottle. Then you are going to add 4 drops of orange essential oil, then 1 drop of cinnamon, and 1 drop of pine. These oils will work together to feel bright, energizing, and grounding. Next, we are going to fill the bottle the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. This safely dilutes the essential oils and makes them glide on smoothly. Replace the roller cap and give it a quick swirl, and that's it. You have your roll-on. To use, you're just gonna roll it on your pulse points, your wrist, your neck, or behind your ears, and enjoy the natural energy boost whenever you need a pick-me-up. So now we are just gonna quickly label this with our stickers from the recipe box. We are looking for the Citrus Spark Roll-On sticker. And we've got it labeled. Pretty easy, right? And this is just one of the 6 natural recipes you'll get to make in the Simply Earth recipe box. Each month you will receive everything you need to make safe, toxin-free products for your home and body. And when you subscribe, you will also get a free big bonus box to kickstart your DIY journey. Let's test this out. Wow, I love this. It's so bright and so refreshing. It's very citrusy and it's a little warm, like a little spicy, and it feels like a mini aromatherapy session in a bottle. Gail, what do you think of my new roll-on?
Ooh, I love that. You can tell that it's really good. It's very fall-like. What is it? Oh, cinnamon, pine.
Cinnamon, pine, and orange.
I really like that. That would be really good.
And the best part, I can just keep it in my bag and roll it on anytime I need a boost. Do you want to try it too? Make this citrus roll-on and share your creation with #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card and get featured. And if you want more energizing, toxin-free DIYs, don't forget to subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you in the next video.